when we take you through this journey of sustainability, but I'd like to take a little step back and take you through the DSM sustainability journey, okay? And we are really sharpening our focus when it comes to connecting our purpose, our strategy with not only our customers, but all our stakeholders, right? To find better solutions. I have a 14-year-old son, and I want this planet to be a better place for him. Just like I'm sure you want for your family members as well. And that's why I'm standing here today before you, telling what we plan to do over the next several years in terms of driving this sustainability story. There are challenges. Certainly there are challenges today in the world. You all hear about what's happening around climate change, accumulating plastic waste, depleting natural resources. So we hear all that today. As businesses, as companies, as the industry, we need to realize what's happening in the world, but together be part of the solution. We know the problems, but we've got to be part of the solution, and that's what we are trying to do in DSM Engineering Plastics. So first thing, as a company, we always start with zero safety. So you may say, well, yes, we've heard this before, but we are living this journey today. Our sites in Asia Pacific and China are already at a zero safety record. But we are not there yet. We are not there yet, but this is something that we will continue to drive towards. I talked earlier about purchase renewable electricity. Our target is 75+%. We are already at 63%, as you saw in one of the previous slides. So our site in Pune is operating on solar. Our sites in Europe are working off renewable energy. So this is very important for us. And while it may seem that to get from 63 to 75% may not seem like a big leap, but it's a long putt. And we are very committed to doing that through our operations. And then the most exciting part for us is that by 2030, we as DSM Engineering Plastics would want to offer our entire portfolio based on bio and recycle-based alternatives. And you'll at least 25% recycle in our bio-based content by weight in the final product. I wanted to make sure I got that in, right, team? But this is super important for us, and you will see more and more from DSM Engineering Plastics as we go through our journey on sustainability. Our objective is we want to beat this goal. We have 2030, but we want to do it sooner. So this is a big challenge and a big task. It's not going to be easy, but I think, including myself and the whole team, we're up for the challenge.